Testing 1 2 3 4. You really recorded a video without any audio. You do not like having your voice recorded. I don't think I could be any more different. Unfortunately, I have no way to overlay what I'm saying, except I do. Woohoo! Yay, accessibility. Yay, accessibility. Yay, 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 accessibility. Okay. So this is my proof that I'm paying attention to this awesome video. Let's see, discovering asset data. Okay, I've got to put on my shoes because I got to walk while I watch this. So 45 minutes out of 44 minutes out of the 45 are just loading the editor, right? I think is what you said. Ugh. Flip it all around town. Okay, we got a bunch of clouds. This is unreal. It's very real. It's ironic. Okay, we got, holy shit. I don't know what's going on. User interface, user widget, a widget. I can't read anything. WPP board. WPP. Why WPP? Why WPP? Work, play, but. Okay, I can't read any of these things. So fucking blind. So fucking blind, man. Okay, we got colors of a background. All right. What's the little thing going around in the, what's 40? You've got a timer going. I didn't even notice. You've got a timer going. Let's fucking go. Is that the Google stopwatch? That is the Google stopwatch, isn't it? Oh my God. I swear to God, on the voice recording app I'm building, I have a fucking stopwatch going on it. Or not a stopwatch, but a timer for the current recording. Also, I can only watch right now for timers. Fuck. Get started. I have 10 minutes. Fuck. Okay, it looks like you're drawing the circle. And then it was cool. We were talking about the architectural design of this game in what's it called? I'm going to check to make sure that I'm recording this. If I'm not recording the audio, at least the audio is visual on the screen. That's all that matters. The audio is visual on the screen. You can see the words. Right click to create new notes. Okay, you delete it. It's a widget blueprint. You're dragging shit out. You're moving that around. Yeah, I think I'm definitely inspired by this blueprints. You showed me this before, and it's just very interesting. It seems very free flowing. Very curious how it works. Also, you navigate around this like a wizard. Also, I just put on my shoes. I'm not walking. What the fuck am I kidding? I just want to watch this video. Hold on, I gotta pause because I want to see. I still can't believe you made a video with no. Every time I touch this stupid fucking iPad. Oh, also, I'm making coffee. Oh my God, this is the cutest. Lex made Colton a little. Oh, we had a good argument about that. Oh my God, you are awesome. Remember that. The thumbs up. No place like home. Wizard of Oz 2026. Oh my God, that's so cute. She made him a little shadow box. I can't show it because it's the fucking cameras stuff. I don't want to upload a picture of children to YouTube. I think that's fucked. Okay, so for loop. Whoa, what the fuck? You got a for loop in Blueprint? This is crazy. Okay. Okay, let's dig in here. How confused can I get? You got WPB. What is WBP? I wonder if that's some kind of standard. Seems weird to prefix stuff with that. Then you're selecting them all. And what are you doing here? Board outline. Board grid. Hold on, you're so fast. Board grid. Okay, you drag the board grid. That came from variables. Add child. Okay, so you're adding a child to uniform grid. Okay, for each loop. For each. This is going to calculate the winner? Or is this going to draw the... God damn it. Is this going to draw the... Is this going to calculate the winner? For loop, first index, modulo 1, index, divided by, add pen, new variable width. What the fuck is this for? Grid width, percent, index, in row, in column, create widget, construct none, select class, cell, WPB board cell, and there's content in the board grid. What? So you're filling that grid with board cells by doing a for loop? What the fuck? And then they're off center, so you got to get the top column or top row center. First index one executes loop body for each loop body. Create word. What the fuck? How in the world is this performant? Maybe it's not the most performant. I don't know. Button is going to be filled in. Style it with a none. Okay, copy. My watch is going to go off here, and I'm going to have to hop as variable. Let me double this speed. Playback speed. You're already going too fast for me, but fuck. I don't have that much time. Cell ID, vector. Cell ID is a vector. Why is cell ID a vector? Or set cell dimension? Bind event to cell. Cell pressed event. Dude, you are a wizard with this shit. What the hell? Image 60, set brush. Compile. So is that main window the window that we like? That's the game? Board ref. Okay, so WP board type. Okay, so now we can call methods on that thing. We clear stuff out. B player one. Is that a convention, B player one? I think that's called Hungarian notation. Do you use B to like symbolize that that's a button? I think that's what I used to do in Android. B empty, yeah. So it's an empty button. Wait, is it a button? It's a Boolean. Oh yeah, we were talking about doing the enumeration for that, but the simplest thing is it empty? Rather than checking the status of the board cell. Turn complete event. How do you hook into turn complete event? Event. Not player one. Ready player one. LOL. Right click to click new nodes. Add to viewport. No way. Okay, so you got it at 9 minutes. You got it. You got the cells drawing somehow. You crazy bastard. 9 minutes. You got the thing, and then how much time is left? Okay, so from getting the fucking thing displaying to getting the win logic, that was about 35 minutes? There's no way. Or did you go like 3D, you crazy bastard? Find, remove, add. What the fuck is going on? Select int. Add to viewport. Check for win with board state. Yeah, checking for win conditions in tic-tac-toe always confuses me. I think with a three-dimensional board, you can always statically check for the same thing in a selected set of indices. Autosave in 4 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Right now, are you chat GPTing how to evaluate win conditions in tic-tac-toe? I'm dead. That should have been shown on screen, chat, right? Am I right? It's funny. My timer is stuck at 42 seconds and only updates every 6 seconds. So the next update's going to be 54 seconds because, as you can see, my timer has been going for 19,173 hours. Yeah, here it comes. Copy and paste, not from ChatGPT. Yeah, winning lines. Yep, local variables. I told you. It's going to be a vector of vectors. Ah, I'm dead. Winning line. Yep. There's 3 of them. X, Y. Oh, this is interesting. 1, 2. That's winning. Curious about the naming conventions of your variables. There's an underscore there, and the other ones are Hungarian notation. I'm curious why they're different. So you're just, yep. There it is. Yep, there's the static array. That's so funny. Yeah, it's the easiest way to do it. There's also a dynamic one. You can keep a score per play. I think if you can dynamically do that and not have to iterate each time, and it's just one includes. I don't know. Doesn't matter. It works. Values, check for win. So now check for win has to look at the winning lines somehow. Yep, there it is. Array for each loop. Yep, look through all of them, see if they're winning. I think there's a more performant way to do this, but I honestly don't know or care to figure it out. The dragging of everything to stuff is keys, board state, exactly, like values, keys. What is board state values? How do you track those lines going underneath all the boxes? This shit's crazy, man. This shit ain't normal. Equals. How do you know which of these is not performant? I guess could you run this and then show like things that take a long time to run? Like if you were building a real game, I'd imagine these are like hundreds or thousands of different blueprints. And you just have this all in your mind? It'd be cool. Like it'd be cool if we could have a conversation like this and I could just be asking you questions. Okay. Anyway, I've got to stop right now. But I'm kind of following, but not really. This seems like wizard magic. But I'm going to upload this and send it back to you to prove to you. Every time anything happens, the fucking microphone gets switched on the stupid accessibility thing. So I feel bad for blind people or deaf people that can't fucking see anything. So I'm going to send this to you to prove to you that I watched up to 22:27, and I'm very impressed. And I'll watch the rest after Lex falls asleep. Peace, brother.